Hey guys, welcome to the show. My name is Pete and we're going to be looking at the Mavic 2 Zoom today. We bought it for the show, so we're going to be using it for all our active tracking with the cars and following the cars and doing shots around the cars with the Mavic Zoom. So it's something that we've looked at carefully. The reason we chose it because of the zoom feature and the active track. It also has the sensors that will help you. So this one has got sensors all around it, so you can miss the trees if you're doing shots and that. So that will explain to you as well later in videos that we do. But today we're just going to open this beautiful box. I haven't touched it, it's all sealed as you can see. So I don't know what's in there and we'll find out shortly. This comes with a Fly More package, so I'm going to open it now and then we'll go through both boxes and see what we actually get with the whole package. So this is going to be like a Christmas cake. Let's open and see what happens. I've got a very sharp knife here. I'm going to take the chance and hopefully not break anything as we're opening it. And let's have a look. Feels like Christmas because this was an expensive little baby. They're roughly around about $2,000 if you buy the Fly More package. They've come down a bit in price since the Mavic 2 Air has come out. So let's see what we're going to get inside here. So first, we're going to have the little Fly More kit. So inside there should be a little bag and some batteries and everything, but we'll go through all of that later. And a welcome to the world of DJI card from DJI. That's quite a nice little touch to have. And this is the baby that we've been waiting for, and I really look forward to using this later today. This is going to be your Mavic 2 Zoom. So what we've bought is the Zoom, and you get an option of this little package over here, which is called the Fly More package. The Fly More package has another 2 batteries. It's got a little suitcase and a couple of little attachments and extra props and that. So we'll run through all of that as soon as we start opening the bags. So I guess the first bag we're going to open, or the first box we're opening today, is definitely going to be this baby over here. So you can see it's all sealed, and we'll open it in a few seconds. Okay, let's carry on. Christmas wrapping. Always a lot of fun. Let's have a look. One less paper out the way. Alright, so let's get this open. And all you do is you just slip this one off. That's out the way. Let's move to the box here. We're going to have to cut that open to loosen it. So let's quickly do that. Just watch you don't cut your fingers. And there we have it. So that's what it looks like when we open. So let's go. And we'll take out the remote controller. We'll take out the actual drone, which is actually heavier than I thought it would be. Really quite heavy. That's what it looks like. You can see all the little seals and all the stickers that have to be taken off. From what I've seen on all the other videos as well, they go through, there's a lot of stickers to get taken off, but it's just to teach you and show you all the different things. So inside there's the zoom camera, and there's your propellers, and then you've got a couple more that we'll get to in a bit. So just going to put that down over there. Then let's see what's in this box. Lots of prizes and little surprises, so let's find out what we got next. So next we have, over here is your transformer and your charging cables, and that is with an Australian plug. You would get a US plug, or whichever plug you have for the country that you're in would be supplied. You also have a USB port here, which you can, I think we'll find the cable shortly, which there's a couple of features that we can do on, but we'll go through them a bit later. So that's the next little one that we've got down there. So let's put that out the way. Then inside here, let's see what we have. Because I would love to get this thing charging so we can actually see and test it. Lots of little pieces. Okay, so just to be safe, let's do it slowly. So there you have a very little micro. I'll have to open this up for you. Just bear me 2 seconds, guys. So you're getting to see everything as I see it, because it's the first time I'm seeing one as well. And we are not all sponsored by DJI, so they never gave us anything. This is all off our own backs. There's your cable that I mentioned earlier, so we're going to be able to plug that into here as well and charge the remote at the same time. You have two different cables. These cables are for the different phones. You've got a USB-C and your normal little USB charger there for your normal Android phones. They don't use the USB-C, so that's inside that bag there. That I do know from a bit of experience. And inside here we're gonna have your props. So there's a whole bunch of propellers. Let's just go see what else is. You've got a whole bunch of sets, so there you go. There's a little divider, and then I think it's probably a little welcome book with your instructions. So as we get them out, there we go. I'll read them all to you now as I've taken them out, and I'll tell you exactly what they are. So nothing left in the box, just a little divider. Hey guys, as I said earlier, micro USB and USB-C. Then on this one, you've got two micro USBs, but you've got a converter here that you can actually make this from the micro USB-C down to a micro USB as well. So you've got the option to do that on these as well. Where to help? So DJI support, they're going to give you everything. You've got a little code on the back that you can get hold of them, or well, you can download the apps probably, or get the website if you just follow that. DJI Zoom, the instructions, what to do in the box basically. Here you've got quick start guide, so we won't really run through that because we'll know what we're doing there. Intelligent flight battery, what you need to do to charge a battery. Disclaimer and warranty guidelines over there. And then you've also got your DJI products and Australian consumer law. So that's all in there as well. So that's everything that you get in this box. So that's the box open. We've unboxed it. We'll come back later to taking all the stuff off, just to give you an idea. So in the box, as we said earlier, you're getting the two cables, which are over there. You're getting the propellers, which are over here. You're getting your remote. You're getting your charging cable. You're getting your what do you call that? Transformer. And that's it. That's what you get in the box. And most importantly, you get the drone. And that's everything. So really excited to play this drone, but we're going to unbox. That's what we're doing. This is the video is about unboxing. Be back with all this stuff in a bit. Thank you.